Hello students, welcome to EC Engineering. This is our fourth video related with EMF equation of a DC generator. So before entering into this video, you kindly go through all the four videos one by one, then only you can able to understand the conceptual things behind it. And these are the very simple problem, while you can understand the details given in a problem and the only one formula. So from this formula of EG you could able to make it out other parameter calculations. This video I am going to explain you the content in a problem and you are going to do the problem by yourself, mere making and substitutions. So in this explanations with this video we could wind up and all the tutorial related with the DC generator, then pass on to the next topic in the next four coming videos. Well, back to according to this problem, the number of means the armature of a 4-pole DC generator has 85 slots and the commutator has 245 segments. It is bound to give lap winding having 1 turn per coil. If the flux per pole is 35 milliweber, calculate generated EMF EG at a speed of 1200 rpm. So from this you just collect all the informations and post it the informations. Number of poles P equal to 4. It has an 85 slots. So number of slots is equal to 85. Commutator has 245 segments. So number of commutator segment equal to 245. It's an lap winding machine. As far as the lap winding concerns, A equal to P equal to 4. And one more information given, having 1 turn per coil. Keep it in a mind, it has an 1 turn per coil and flux per pole is 35 milliweber and speed is 1200 rpm. With this, generated EMF EG is need to be calculated. So only one information you have to keep it in mind, that the number of coils is equal to number of commutator segments. So each turn has 2 active conductors. With this, Z is equal to number of segments 245 into 2, that is 490 Z. And all other things are mere substitution. Do it yourself. All other things are substitution. Here only thing you have to keep it in a mind, that flux per pole is 35 milliweber, which is mean that 35 into 10 power minus 3 Weber. That is what given here. All others are same substitutions. So from this, EG equal to 343 volt. Mere substitution of all the informations given. Do it yourself and practice yourself. Well, thank you. We'll pass on to the next example. So as far as this example concerns, a 4-pole wave wound generator has 40 slots and 10 conductors are placed per slot. 10 conductors are placed per slot. Find the generated EMF EG when the generator is driven at 1200 rpm and phi is equal to 0.02 Weber. We'll collect all the informations. P equal to 4. Wave wound. We are all well known that for a wave wound, A equal to 2. And the number of slots given in a problem as 40. So number of slots given as 40 and conductors per slot, 10 conductors per slot. So conductors per slot is equal to 10. So Z is equal to multiplication of number of slots into number of conductors per slot, which we got it as an 400 numbers. And then flux per pole is 0.02 verbub. It's not an milliverbub, it's an verbub. In the last problem it's given as milliverbub. That's why we make a conversion over an verbub. Here it's directly given as an 0.02 verbub. So no need to make any of the conversion, keep it as it is. And the speed is 1200 RPM given. Generated EMF EG, we are all well known that EG is equal to P phi N Z by 60A. All the informations P given, phi given, N given, and for a wave wound Z given, for a wave wound A equal to 2. All the informations are known. So listen carefully and make a substitution of an information data given in a problem and solve the same using a calculator. From this calculator operation we got EG equal to 320 volt. Students, don't forget to write an unit for all the things. Numbers doesn't have number of slots, doesn't have any unit, all others having an unit. That's why for an EG don't forget to specify the unit of an generated EMF. Well, we'll pass on to the next type of an problem. This is also very simple one. The same likelihood problem given. You just go through the problem and make an calculations. I will read out the informations given. Example 7. A 4-pole machine has 600 slot and 8 conductors per slot. The total flux per pole is 20 milliverbub. Please be careful, it's 20 milliverbub. For relative speed of 1500 RPM between field flux and armature winding. Don't be confused, here they specify speed N is equal to 1500 RPM, that's all. Calculate the generated armature voltage if the machine is a DC with lap winding. Well, try to collect the informations. P equal to 4, number of slots is equal to 60, same as like that of an previous problem. Conductors per slot is 8, that's why 60 into 8, 480, it's a value of Z. It's a value of Z. The total flux per pole is 20 milliverbub, or we can write it here itself 20 into 10 power minus 3 verbub. 20 into minus 3 verbub. And speed is 1500 RPM. For a lap winding, A equal to P equal to 4. So what is asked in a question? It's an EG. So for an EG, all the informations are given. Mere making a substitution over, and they found that EG equal to 240. Excuse me. So EG is taken as an 240. Thank you, students. Go through the informations given. Go through the informations given and try to find out EG. With this, we pass on to the next problem. That's also the easy simple problem to understand. I am just go through the things and you will make it out the simple calculations. But the thing is, what are all the required informations we can grasp from a problem? It's an essential thing. Now we'll back with the next example as a 8-pole wave connected armature has 600 conductors and it's driven at 625 revolution per minute. So this is an detail which we can note, it's different from other problem. And if the flux per pole is 20 milliweber, and determine the generated EMF. So from this we can easily understand that P pole equal to 8, it's a wave connect. So for a wave wound A equal to 2, then armature has 600 conductors. So total number of conductors is directly given as Z is equal to 600, no per slot or any other informations, so that we can directly make a substitution for Z value. But the only information what we can understand here is an 625 revolution per minute, and F is equal to, flux per pole is 20 milliweber, means here 20 into 10 power minus 3 Weber. It's in 625. So N given, Z given, phi given, pole, number of poles given, then A equal to 2 for wave wound, mere substitution and make a calculation EG equal to 500 volt. So students, all the things are same likelihood problem. You can easily able to understand all the things what we discussed in this video are most likely asked Anna University questions, and we solve the same. Go through the things. Thank you students.